How to snooze your notification on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notification. So you will see notification is here, so click on notifications. Now here, so click on advanced settings. So after click on advanced setting, you will see show snooze button is here. So if you want to snooze your button, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can snooze your notification on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.